What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. All right, so y'all already know what time it is. It is Sunday. I told you guys I was gonna start my giveaways today. So the giveaway entails 3 business consultations for this week. I wanted to start off strong so we could just go ahead and get 3 people out the way. From now on, every single Sunday, I'll be giving out a free consultation. If you already had a personal credit consultation, then your consultation will be a business consultation. If you already had a business consultation, then your consultation will be an Age Corp consultation, okay? If you already had that, then we'll begin to talk about a lot of different other things to where you can maximize your credit, talk about partnering and things like that. Because if you already know personal, business, Age Corps, we need to be partnering up, all right? Let's get this money. So I'm gonna name the guys and girls who will win at the end of the video, okay? Y'all already know I wanna come to you guys with some value before we get to the prizes and good stuff like that, right? So today I wanna just talk to you guys about, also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. To win a consultation, you must be engaged, right? You must be engaged with me. You don't have to hit me up necessarily, but you definitely should be commenting. You definitely should be liking the video, subscribing, sharing the video, and things like that, right? I give very valuable information. I'm coming to you guys straightforward with a lot of things that people will definitely keep from you, tell you a little bit, but I'm giving you guys step by step exactly what you should do, how you should do it, different things like that, all right? If you really want to be very, very up close and personal, you want to have an intimate relationship, pause with me on the finances side. Of course, I have paid services to where you can do that. There's a lot of tips. There's a lot of tricks. I'm in this space constantly, guys. So hit me up if you're ready. If not, just keep soaking up this free information. And when you're ready, you let me know, okay? So today I want to talk to you guys about the #1 business primary trade line to have on your account, okay? This is not any type of authorized user. This is not anything like that. No gas cards, right? I'm a big fan of gas cards, but no gas cards or anything like that, right? You should have credit strong. You should have credit strong on your business profiles, okay? Under every business, you should have credit strong, all right? Now, maybe credit strong rings a bell to you guys. Before, a lot of times, especially with CPs and stuff like that, credit strong was very big on being on a credit profile for a CPN. Okay, now they came up off of that when the pandemic happened and things like that. What they did was, instead of being on the personal credit side, or more the CP side, because a lot of people didn't even put them on the personal, right? Anything that you would prefer to have on your CP for any good reason, always remember that you need to have it on your personal too. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt at all. Okay, so they were really big and they really came up off the CP side. But now, when the pandemic happened and there was a lot of different changes and things like that going on, getting ready for FICO 10 and other things like that, for longevity purposes, they moved to the business side. And let me tell you guys, it's a $10,000 primary on your business account, okay? You have to pay a fee, yes, but you get $10,000 reporting on your business, okay? Y'all know I got the sauce for the 40K, okay? So if you add that, that's 50K. If you got a business and you have $50,000 behind your business before you even go and get funded, you're gonna have a lot of good things that you can do, especially if you're a thinker, especially if you're a mover and a shaker. You know what to do with your money. You got a few plans. You know what I mean? This is what this channel is for. All right, financial literacy. But once you get financially literate, what you then want to do is you want to take the finances, break them down, and invest them in different things. Because then now you need to be business literate. Okay, but the most important thing is to learn how to build up your capital so that you can then start to play with things, right? You can't play with things with a small amount of money, all right? And then you got a family to feed. You have a lot of things to do, right? It's just very hard, and it messes with your emotions when you don't really have enough. And that's the goal. That's always the goal, okay? The goal is to make sure, I don't care if you're working, I really don't care how much money you make, really. Because if you don't have credit, it really doesn't matter because you're going in your pocket to spend everything that you buy. Then at the end of the year, you're going to be taxed. And throughout the year, you're taxed. We're always losing money, right? So the plan is to make more money. But first, before you make more money, you have to create more money, which can create opportunities, which then will create more money, okay? Money is just opportunity, engage, all right? So that's what I'm here for, to teach you guys every single day, or if not every day, definitely coming to you guys like 3 times a week, giving you guys game. If you already pay for consultations and things like that, y'all already know we talking every day, right? We chopping it up every day. Also, with the chats, right? The group chats, I've switched everything from group chats from Telegram to the Discord, okay? From the Telegram to the Discord. Now, I'll leave a link below, or I'll have a my Discord name, of course, y'all already know what it is, Credit Guy Frank for everything. Everything. I'm Credit Guy Frank. Everything. I'm Credit Guy Frank, okay? Nothing else. No name, no Credit Guy Frank 1, no nothing. Just Credit Guy Frank. All right. Also, let's go and get to it. So the 3 winners of the business consultations or consultations in general this week is number 1, Misha James. All right. Misha James is number 1. They were under like all my videos, comment, also engage, stuff like that. I believe we already did a consultation. So you already know you're going to upgrade to the business consultation because we already did this personal consultation, okay? So you get the business consultation, boom, congratulations to you. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you soon. Just hit me up and we're gonna get to it, okay? Also, Jerome Mealy, shout out to you as well, same thing. You was active under my videos, you know what I'm saying? Appreciate the engagement, I appreciate the support, man. That's what I'm all about. Like, I'm a real humble dude. Yes, I talk about money. Yes, I have things, blah, 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 but that stuff don't make me. It really don't matter. None of that matters, all right? I'm a family man first, period. That's the only thing that matters, all right? The only reason that I even know this stuff is because of my family. I'm not into like all socials and taking selfies and stuff like that. I'm literally here to give game. That's it. The reason that I wear this mask is so that I don't want to, because I don't want to be famous. So that I don't get famous. I have no care in this world to be famous at all. I see what y'all do to famous people. It's not cool. You feel me? Y'all turn on people for smallest things in the world, okay? When you praise people who don't give you any type of value. And that I'll never understand and I'll never try to understand. So the last winner is Lord Wilson. All right, Lord Wilson. So you guys hit me up, man. Let's get ready for y'all consultations. It is March, about to be April. Look, we're through a quarter of the year, okay? What I tell you, I told you I'm gonna have 5 people with $1 million. 5 people with $1 million by January 1st. We're now in April. All right. So check this out. When you get the consultations as well, comment down below. Let people know that you got your consultations. Let people know, you know what I'm saying, whatever. All right. Let people know when you get your consultations. It brings more trust, different things like that. I'm not the type of person, I'm not going to sell myself. I'm not going to be going back and forth. Somebody's like, hey, man, yeah, you should do. So I want y'all to do it for me. All right. If y'all getting game from this, comment below, man. If you want to win a consultation for next week, comment below. Like these videos, man. Let's go. It's getting warm. It's time to pump it up, man. I already told you about the gas prices that was going to spike and all of that before it even happened. The taxes and all that before it even happened. It's time to get to work. All right. If you already got your businesses set up from my LLC video that I just dropped like 2 weeks ago, make sure that you're doing your research. Make sure that you're learning. Make sure that you're applying these steps because they're going to be very beneficial for you around July, August. You're going to be so glad that you did, getting ready for the wintertime and also getting ready for Christmas and things like that. Crypto, all of this stuff is about to go crazy. All right. We're about to hit a recession that breeds millionaires. I don't care what nobody told you. Recessions breeds millionaires. Only to consumers does it go down. People who playing the game the opposite way, we going up. It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. I'm out.